You guys may not know this, but the film crew you see before you, AKA Stu, Alex, Mauricio, and Paige, they go home after we finish filming. Alex and Mauricio go back to Dallas. Stu goes back to Arkansas. Paige goes back to Arkansas. So today I thought it would be really fun to make a dish for each of the loyal film crew members I have and send them home so they can enjoy the morsels when they get to their respective houses. So I'm gonna start with Alex, not because she's oldest.
She's the best.
And she's not oldest, Stu is the oldest. No, Mauricio's the oldest. Not because she's the oldest, but because her recipe takes longer. So I'm starting off at the beginning. So I'm making a spice mixture for some veggies, and I'm gonna use the veggies to make a kit of veggie-packed burritos for Alex to take back to Dallas. How does that sound?
Right up my alley.
So I'm making a spice for all the veggies, and it's a mixture of chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, and then I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon, not too much, a little bit of turmeric, not too much, and some pepper. Now I'm making a kit of veggies for Alex to make burritos with, and I don't want to send her home with like one lunch worth of burritos. So I am literally packing this sheet pan with cauliflower, 2 colors of bell pepper, a red onion, and chickpeas. Otherwise known as garbanzo beans, but nobody calls them garbanzo beans anymore. I don't know when that kind of switched in the lexicon of humans, but. Okay, so I drizzled a bunch of olive oil over the vegetables, and I'm sprinkling over all of the spice mix because I wanted to be extra spicy.
Just like me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm tossing the veggies in the spice mixture until they're totally coated. I love making kits of food. There was a time when I used to do it for the fridge, and I would just have these little kind of dinners ready to go in the fridge. But then I thought, I don't want to send these kids home empty-handed. They come in and we film the show, there's all this food, and then they leave. And I never send them home with anything. We're gonna change all that today. Let's go get the veggies in the oven, Paige. So the veggies are gonna roast at 450 degrees for about 15 to 17 minutes until they're nice and brown. And then I'll show you how to pull the kit together. All right, here are the veggies. Alex, do you approve?
I approve.
I think they look tremendous. So you'll see that I've been sort of getting the ingredients ready for the kit. These veggies look incredible. I can't find the spoon I need. Here we go, this is better. Okay, so I'm gonna actually get the veggies into the to-go container that I'm putting in Alex's kit. So just be patient with me. This is just gonna take a second.
All right.
Okay, woo, lots of veggies. I set out not to send Alex home with too small amount of veggies. I think I might have overshot.
I'll be fed for a whole week.
Mauricio, you make sure she eats all of these now.
I will.
So I've got the whole kit before me, but I'm going to demonstrate one veggie-packed burrito for Alex and whoever else she wants to share them with. So I've got a whole wheat tortilla, and I'm just putting a little bit of the veggie mixture right on the center. And then that concludes this portion of the kit. All right, so the veggies go on the sheet pan. And then I've got some hummus, and I'll kind of scoot the veggies to the side and just spread the hummus down the tortilla. I actually meant to put the hummus on the tortilla first, but I forgot. Okay, so Alex, the hummus.
So, should I do veggies then hummus or hummus then veggies? Whatever my heart
You should do hummus and veggies. And then I'm gonna put some brown rice, which is really healthy, onto the hummus. So the reason I picked this for you, Alex, is that you like to eat healthy, and I feel like Paige has kind of mastered the art of healthy cooking like this. So I thought I would send it home with you. So brown rice goes on the kit, and then I've got some like baby kale and some other greens, spinach and things. Delicious. Load it up. All right, the lid goes on the greens. Gosh, I would be tempted to just eat this on the way home. It's always a puzzle fitting everything onto the sheet pan. There, I think I did it. Okay, and then at the very end, before I roll it up, store-bought tzatziki, which is just like a cucumber yogurt spread. Okay, so now for rolling, you can either just roll it and kind of leave it open on the edges, or you can tuck it in like this and keep things nice and neat. Are you scared it's not gonna close?
I'm not looking for
It
all the things.
closed. Yay. So the tzatziki can get its lid. And look at that, look at that. Everything fit. I've got the package of whole wheat tortillas. Okay, so look, Paigey, you wanna see what's inside? Oop, it fell out a little bit. Okay, so anyway, you can do this at home and enjoy it. Just leave me out of it, basically, is what I want to say. So there you go. Roasted veggie, what is it? Veggie-Packed Burritos for Alex.
Yum.
All right, bye. No, I'm just
Thanks,
kidding.
Mommy.
I'll put this in the fridge and it'll be ready for you.